Dogs are clean. Gave them all bath yesterday. Let's go, Potential. And y'all see how she acted yesterday by herself. She didn't want to leave without the pack. Wait, Dream. Let's go. Y'all pray for me with this dog, yeah. That new puppy. I'm working on her. She's kind of sick. A little kennel cough, so I'm pushing her every day to give her meds and her shots. I'm about to be an alcoholic. Mama. Quit trying to mark territory. Wait, Potential. Come on here. Come on here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Come on here. Come on. I know y'all look like it want to rain this morning. I might just be up too early. I ain't gonna keep y'all too long today now. But the message is today is learn your dogs. Spend time with your dogs. So all these dogs got different personalities. You got a jealous one. You got one got a hard head. And you got one that don't like to listen. Learn your dogs. Love your dogs. Treat them all the same, but learn your dogs. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I ain't gonna keep y'all long. Y'all see her by herself yesterday, so if you watched yesterday, this is with the pack this morning. Get. And I ain't gonna keep y'all long, I'm out. My dogs get exercise every morning, so matter if they're in the yard or I'm walking them, but they get exercise every morning. Sometime in the evening they run around in the yard, but exercise every morning. Go right around. Go around. Oh, mercy. All right, let's go. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Learn your dogs. Love your dogs.